Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do aloe vera facial at home, and it's gonna make your skin look beautiful. And for this I will be using the newly launched products by Wow. First of all, I'm gonna wash my face with a face wash because it takes away all the dirt and grime from the face. Next, I will be using the aloe vera peel off mask. I'm actually quite excited to use this product because till now we've only seen charcoal peel off masks in the market. They're black in color and we've seen how it works, but this is the first time I will be trying an aloe vera peel off mask. It is clear, it does not have any color, and I'm actually quite excited to see how it works. And I'm making sure that I apply a generous amount so that it peels off nicely. And yeah, let's see how it works. Basically, it claims to make your skin moisturized and take away all the dead skin from the face. And that's my little sister bubbling up my set. So yeah, keep it on your skin till it gets dry. It takes usually 20 minutes to dry out. Till then you can chill out and relax and do whatever. Once this mask is dry, make sure to tap and check. So I'm starting to peel this mask off. In starting it hurt a little bit, but after that it stopped hurting that much. I would say that this mask is very less painful compared to the charcoal peel off masks, but you can feel that all the dead skin is being peeled off. It came off quite easily from my face, and yeah, that's it. So when I touched my face, it felt very smooth and bright. And next I will be applying the aloe vera sleeping pack. Now again, this is something new because till now I've only come across Korean brands who make sleeping packs, and they're also very expensive. They give very little quantity. So I am applying it and massaging it all over my face. And also after peel off mask, I had to apply something on my face to soothe down my skin, and I feel it's a great way to apply a sleeping pack after it. I tried this procedure during the night time because your skin has time to heal. And lastly, I'm gonna apply the aloe vera body lotion all over my body because see, you need to take care of your entire body, not only your face. And this body lotion is very lightweight yet very moisturizing. And just telling you, before sleeping I moisturize my face, my body, everything because I have dry skin. And yeah, I quite really liked this aloe vera range by Wow. It made my skin very bright, smooth and shiny. And that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.